Hey guys, welcome to TNT Barbecue with a Southern explosive taste. We got the mobile here, beef cheeks. So these beef cheeks, I seen a video. My boy Joe at Smokin Joe Pits. I'm gonna leave his channel above on the iCard. Go over his channel, subscribe, tell him TNT sent you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wash these off camera. And we'll bring you back when we trim these up, okay? So we got the beef cheeks out of the package. They've been washed, patted dry, okay? And beef cheeks, Barbacoa, okay? That's what Joe called it, and that's what I'm gonna call it, Barbacoa. So what I think I'm gonna do just for, I'm gonna do some separating, okay? So I'm just gonna separate out this Barbacoa beef cheeks into like manageable trimming sizes to get trimming going on. So basically I'm gonna leave some fat, but I'm gonna trim some membrane. So I see some good fat, I see some membrane that need to be trimmed. I'm going in, trying to get all this hard stuff off right here. So membrane. And that's my goal. Look off the back of it. You see him just keep trimming. Keep going off the back. There goes another little. So that's the beef cheek right there. Y'all see I trimmed that up, guys. I did my best, but like I said, I got a little bit of stuff right here I can still do, but I guess I can cook that off. So I'm gonna trim the rest of this off camera, cause this ain't a barbacoa trimming video. This is a cooking video. So I'm gonna do this off camera, and we'll go from there. Okay. That's barbacoa trimmed up. On the smoker, we're gonna go to season, then we're gonna turn the smoker. This is what I got, guys. I got a lot of like this. This looks awesome. That looks amazing. This looks good. This is I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna cook it because I got all the it like it's meat wrapped up in the fat, so that can't be too bad. So this is what I got left out of the pack, guys. Okay. So first, I want to start off with some Worcestershire sauce. This is going to be my binder, some Worcestershire, okay? Sauce, and like I said, I'm going over with this Fiat Pista seasoning. So that's what I'm using to go over it. Just got off the phone with my brother Joe from Smokin Joe Pits Barbecue. Getting a little familiar with this process, even though he has a great video. Sometimes I'm just a slow learner and I need a little bit more help. And it was good I could call him up and he had the right answers. So I'm going with this Plowboys bovine bowl. So I'm just going to press that into the meat. Press. Okay. I'm gonna season the back off camera. Next time I'll be bringing it to the smoker. Okay. So you'll be seeing us to the smoke. So what I'm gonna do to smoke this right here, I'm gonna use my Cookshack electric smoker. I got the coil hot, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 2 different types of wood chips. So the first wood chip I'm gonna add some mesquite. So I want this pretty smoky, so I'm gonna add some mesquite to the wood tray. And then, since we're sticking with the Texas flavor, I'm gonna add some post oak. That's a good thing about electric smokers. You can get more wood flavors than you can with logs. So I'm gonna add a little post oak. So that's enough wood for that beef cheek. So I'm gonna slide it in, and we're gonna go ahead and put the beef cheeks on. It's hot. All right. So I did raise it up a little bit. I did raise it up just a little bit. I'm gonna make sure everything gets spread out correctly so it can get the equal amount of smoke to all the beef cheeks. The Barbaracoa. Let me push this back some. Push this back some. I should have used my jerky rack, but that's okay. Like I said, I can smell the wood cooking. Smoking, I can smell the wood smoking. So I'm gonna close it up. Let the smoke get in the meat. And we got it dialed in at 250, going down for 3 hours until we get the bark we want, okay? We won't be spritzing until we get the bark we want. So 3 hours, we'll see you later. So I just got off the phone with my boy Joe from Smoking Joe's Pits. And I also talked to my boy James from Aiming and Claiming. And both of them had some awesome advice on getting this barbacoa taken care of. So Joe told me to slice up 3 onions. Well, he said 3 onions. He said onions and put it in a pan and basically let the onions and set the barbacoa with some beef broth up on the onions. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna slice some onions and put them in the pan. I'll bring you back when the onions are sliced. Back. So basically what we did, we let this smoke for approximately 3 hours. 2 hours and a half, 3 hours. The bark is set. Good bark. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna place the barbacoa on top of the onions. And as you can see, I got a lot of onions, guys. And on top of this right here, I guess I want to put some, I got some basil here. So I want to add a little basil. To the, this is going to go in tacos. I'm telling you what, it's going to be delicious. I'm going to add a little basil with some cilantro. And a little, all right, this Twisted brand is from Iowa. He sent me this. I got a couple recipes that I'll be doing coming online. But this is his spicy garlic, Twisted brand spicy garlic. I'm gonna put this on the description down low. I'm gonna put the contact information Guys, I'm telling you what, order some of this stuff. It is amazing. So I'm just gonna go with the spicy garlic, roll the onions. And just some of the meat. So I'm not adding no more salt, just herbs. And then the next will be a little rosemary. Rosemary can be kind of strong, so I don't want to overpower it. Okay? And then I'm gonna add my chicken broth. And I believe that's enough. So I got this. My camera guy bring in a little closer and show you what we're working with. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this up, guys. This could go right back on the smoker at 250 degrees and let this cook down, okay? So let's go to the smoker, son. All right, we're back at the smoker. This is an insulated smoker. And as you can see, guys, we've been smoking in this thing. So we're gonna go ahead and put this inside. I got it set for 250 degrees. And 3 or 4 hours, this will be done. All right, guys, so it's been about 4 hours and a half. Joe gave me real instructions. He said, hey, T, once you think it's done, leave it on for another 30 minutes. So that's what I did. So 4 hours and a half. And this is what we got, guys. I mean, can you see what I see? I mean, I see like some, oh my goodness, look how the onions are cooked down. And, oh my goodness, look at this stuff, man. Look at it. Just look at the tenderness of this thing. Look at the bark. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna let it cool down. And when I go to pulling this apart, I'll bring you back in it, okay? Okay, I'm gonna bring the barbacoa out of the pan. See, I hope you can really check this out. This is so tender. Look at that how it falls apart. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I got this knife, but like I said, I don't want it to oh my goodness, did y'all just see that? Wow, that was. I'm gonna go back to another piece. Oh my goodness. Get them out of the pan. Oh, look at it. Oh. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is barbacoa, guys. Joe, I did everything you said, Joe. Except the bay leaf. I couldn't find a bay leaf, so I put Alright guys, I got my daughter here. What's up, baby girl?
Hi.
Okay. So let me tell you what we did, Glass. This is called barbacoa, okay? Barbacoa, okay. What is barbacoa, Glass? You don't know, do you? Beef. It is beef, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix a taco for Glass, okay? You love beef tacos, don't you, Glass?
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's what we're finna do right here. We're gonna cook, all right? So, All right, Gladys. So this is how Brother Joe off of Smoking Joe Pitt say eat them. I think I got too much meat in mine, but that's okay. You can have mine. Okay. So let's give a taste test. Let me know what you think, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Chew it. Mmm. Okay. Very rich. Mmm. This is very outstanding, guys. If you want to do something that's good and that's rich and that's flavorful, it reminds me of like a real moist pot roast or something. Mm-hmm. But even better. It's like I'm getting man, this is. I can taste the smokiness. I can taste the onions. This right here is outstanding. Like I said, okay, so smoky, good, tender, juicy, moist, all the flavors. Thank you guys. Comment, subscribe. Go down, hit that notification bell. Go over to Joe. Go over my boy James from Aiming and Claiming. Tell him TNT sent you. God bless you. God bless America. We out of here.